Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use YouTube keyboard shortcuts for frame by frame navigation. Now, we're gonna explain the frame by frame controls. You have the pause, right? By pressing K or the space bar in your keyboard. You have the next frame. You can press the dot or period when the video is paused. Previous frame, you're gonna press comma when the video is paused, right? Also, if you hold down either the comma or period keys instead of tapping them, it will trigger a super slow motion or rapid reverse effect. If the keys aren't working, ensure the video player has active focus, like click directly on the video or press the K key first. Also note that this native frame by frame feature is a desktop only function and it is not supported in the standard YouTube mobile app. So consider liking this video, subscribe it. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.